Let's solve this question together. We are given x plus y equals 50. Then y plus y equals 120. And x plus z equals 35. Okay. All right. Now let's label the first expression as equation 1. Then let's call this one equation 2. Then this one equation 3. Remember, we have y here, y there. So we can deal with the equation 2. So from 2, y plus y is 3y equals 120. Therefore, y is 120 on 3, which is 40. So knowing y means that we can solve x here. Okay. So from here, you can say that x plus y, which is 40, the same as 50. So we have x equals 50 minus 40. So x is straight away 10. So we know x and y. Okay. Now the question is, what is z? So to find z, we need to use the third equation and do substitution because we know x as 10. So we have 10 plus z equals 35. So we have 10 plus z equals to 35. Therefore, z 35 minus 10. So my z here is 25. 25. Okay. So that's the answer.